Hello, today we are going to learn how to draw a perpendicular line from a given point on a given line. So as you can see, we have a given line R with a given point A marked in the center of the line. So the first step is setting our compass on point A and setting our compass to any given radius. In this case, 3 centimeters. We will draw a semicircle which cuts the line R at 2 points, which we will call point P and point Q. So now, setting our compass on point P and with a radius slightly longer than PA, we will scribe an arc above the line, as can be seen here. And now, with the same radius and setting the compass on point Q, we're going to scribe another arc intersecting our previously drawn arc, as shown here, obtaining a new point, which we will call point B. And now finally, with our ruler and a thicker line, we are going to draw a perpendicular line going through point A and perpendicular to the given line R. Okay, and we can now check it with our 90-degree set square to show that it's 90 degrees, that it's perpendicular, and we will mark it with the symbol of perpendicularity as shown here. So I hope this video has helped you. Please press like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you. Until the next time.